Do you wonder where people get this type of sound? Or this? Don't scroll. This video is for you. Let's go. Now head over to your browser and search for Instant Sound Nigeria. Once it opens, click on the first one that says My Instance. And boom, you should see something like this. There are a lot of them. So here's how to download it. Click on the name of the one you want to download and scroll down till you see Download MP3. Click on Download and voila, you have it on your phone. If you don't know how to add the sound to your video, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video for it. Until then, see you on the next one.